Meet Ryan, a 21-year-old college student drowning in stress and uncertainty. Every day feels like a battle as he struggles to make ends meet. With barely $8 left in his bank account, a mountain of student loans weighing on his shoulders, and no one to turn to for financial guidance, fear and hopelessness grip his heart. He stares at his empty fridge, wondering how he'll make it through the week. The future, once full of dreams, now feels like a dark and endless tunnel with no way out. One evening, while browsing through the dimly lit aisles of a dusty thrift store, he stumbles upon an old, weathered book tucked away on a forgotten shelf. The cover, faded and worn, seems to whisper secrets of a bygone era as if calling out to him. The title, The Wealth Blueprint, catches his eye, and the author's name, E.M. Richards, feels strangely unfamiliar, yet oddly familiar at the same time. A shiver runs down his spine as he picks it up, feeling an inexplicable pull, as if the book holds answers to questions he hasn't even thought to ask. Curious and unable to resist, he gently flips through the yellowed pages, his fingers brushing against the fragile paper. To his surprise, he finds handwritten notes scribbled in the margins, with certain words highlighted in faded ink, as if someone had once carefully studied every line. A strange sensation creeps over him, a mix of intrigue and unease. Something about this book feels different. Alive, almost, as though it's been waiting for someone like him to discover it. A shiver of anticipation runs through him, as if the pages themselves are holding a secret, begging to be unlocked. That night, Ryan sits in the dim glow of his desk lamp, his heart pounding with a mix of excitement and disbelief as he reads the book cover to cover. Each page reveals a new world, a world of disciplined, long-term investing, far removed from the quick money schemes he had once chased. As the words unfold, he feels a flicker of something he hasn't felt in years: hope. It's subtle at first, like a quiet spark in the dark, but soon it grows brighter, filling him with a sense of possibility he had almost forgotten existed. For the first time in a long time, Ryan believes that maybe, just maybe, his future could be different. Following the book's advice, Ryan takes a deep breath, his palms slightly sweaty as he opens the trading app. With only $20 to his name, he hesitates for a moment, the weight of the decision heavy in his chest. But then, with a sense of resolve, he taps the button and makes his first stock investment. It's a small step, almost insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but to Ryan, it feels monumental. His heart races as he watches the screen, a mixture of nerves and excitement bubbling inside him. It's not much, but it's a start, a leap of faith toward something greater, a step in the right direction, and for the first time in a long while, he feels a glimmer of control over his future. As days pass, a powerful realization settles in Ryan's mind. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about mindset, strategy, and patience. With each passing day, the weight of this truth grows clearer. His heart swells with a quiet confidence. His financial journey has only just begun, but for the first time, he feels like he's on the right path, ready to face whatever comes next. Determined to grow his wealth, Ryan takes a part-time job at a coffee shop. Tempted by fast food and gadgets, he reminds himself of the book's wisdom. With discipline, he saves and reinvests every extra dollar. Each sacrifice feels like a step toward something bigger, his future. With newfound determination, Ryan creates a plan. Every paycheck, he sets aside 30% for investments. He dives into market trends, discovers the power of compound interest, and sharpens his strategy. With each step, his confidence grows. He's building his future, one choice at a time. Months turn into years, and Ryan watches in awe as his small investments grow. $20 becomes $500, $500 becomes $5,000. Each number on the screen is proof. The book was right. Success isn't luck, it's consistency. And he's just getting started. One day, Ryan logs into his investment account and freezes. His portfolio has surpassed $50,000. His heart pounds. What began as a $5 thrift store find has transformed his future. He's not just surviving anymore, he's building wealth. Years pass, and Ryan is no longer a struggling student. He's a disciplined investor. His portfolio now exceeds $1.2 million. What once felt impossible is now his reality. He's not just investing, he's truly free. Ryan glances at his vision board: travel, passive income, financial freedom. Every dream has come true. Yet one question lingers, unsolved. Who was E.M. Richards? Ryan lives the life he once dreamed of, yet deep down, He knows none of it would be possible without the book and the mysterious man who wrote it. Driven by curiosity, Ryan searches for E.M. Richards online. What he finds stops him cold. A newspaper article. E.M. Richards, the man who lost everything and rebuilt his fortune. The article reveals a man who had it all, lost everything, and chose to rise again. Instead of giving up, he wrote the book, to guide, to warn, to give others a second chance. Understanding the book's power, Ryan chooses to pass it on. He walks into a thrift store, places the wealth blueprint on a shelf, and walks away, hoping it changes another life, just as it did his. A single book, a $5 investment, a lifetime of financial freedom. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about knowledge, discipline, and time. And as Ryan learned, it all starts with one small step. The real question is, will you take yours? If this story inspired you to take that first step towards your own financial freedom, remember, it's never too late to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this journey with others. You never know who might need that small push to change their life too. Your future begins today.